How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Yokohama, and today we're going to the Gundam Factory. That's right, the giant moving Gundam here in Yokohama. Me and Koda are gonna go inside, check it out. It does move, and like twice every half hour or something like that. I've been here once before, but it was a couple years ago. So we're gonna grab our tickets, headed inside, and we'll show you guys around. And there it is. What do you think, dude?
Dude, it's so cool. I can't wait to see it move.
It's huge. So at 12:20, it will move for its awakening. 12:45 is the awakening, and then I think it was 1 o'clock for the reset. So it's tall, man. I think this. I forgot. The last time I was here, though, they gave us an entire Gundam that was this that you got with your admission. Doesn't look like they have those anymore. It looks amazing, though, isn't it? We're looking at the schedule, and we noticed that the awakening we have is 11 minutes and 45 seconds long at 12:20, and then 12:45 is the half version, which is only 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Then there's the startup experience at 13:20, standby mode, and it just kind of repeats throughout the day. So we'll catch the first two for sure, the 12:20 and the 12:45.
S00 ガンダムのマグネットコーティング稼働実験を開始します。総員、所定の配置についてください。Confirmed. APC is up and running.
マグネットコーティングの性能が予定通りならガンダムの動きがさらに加速されるはずです。エンコーダーパルスは正常です。
The torque value does not exceed the limit.
ガンダムの各部干渉クリア、問題ありません。現在のステータスを報告せよ。
All motors are ready and good to go.
両足の減速機の摩擦抵抗も目標値に収まっています。
S00 の性能を完璧に引き出せるかどうかはパイロットの腕次第ってことね。
気に障る言い方ですね。ガンダム、コックピット内のマイクゲインを上げるんだ。ガンダム、聞こえるか？ガンダム。
必要なことなら命だってかけられるということだ。
誰だ？誰と話している？
間違いありません。音声信号は F00 自身から発信されています。
What'd you think of that?
That was pretty cool.
I love when the centerpiece opened and he was sitting there.
I was like, is that a real person in there? I was like, but it kind of gives you perspective of like, how big it is,
like
too, right? That was pretty cool.
Pretty cool?
That was pretty cool.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Worth it?
Worth it.
Next sequence is in about 10-12 minutes
Okay,
from now.
that's not bad.
And then there's a gift shop here, and there's not a whole lot here to do outside of that.
Okay.
We chose not to do the upper platform viewings.
It almost seems like it's kind of hard to get a good view, too,
It
unless
is.
you're in the front.
If you get lucky, you're in the front. But
Right.
I've done it before in my previous video. And then you're stuck up there. So if you have to use a restroom or anything like that, you're stuck up there the entire hour.
Okay.
So
Got it.
good to know. And it was 1,600 to get in, and it was 25 additional 100 to go up there. When you start at one platform, I think the top one, and then the next sequence, you see how everybody's moving.
Right.
They're going to go down to the second platform, and they'll get the view from there.
Got it.
And then they'll rotate people out.
Okay.
So, yeah, it takes
cool.
a while, but
That
I
was cool.
mean, it's pretty cool.
All right.
Thing's massive.
Oh, yeah.
Time for the gift shop. We're gonna try not to buy something. He's already contemplating, like, look at this. You get the whole Gundam dock for 27. That's doing currency exchange. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. He's thinking about it. How are you gonna carry this all day?
I wasn't expecting the dock. This is so cool, but the box is so big.
Yeah, it's a pretty hefty size box. As Coda always says, do it. Ah! I did it. I got one of those. It's a good price. It's $20 and it's super.
Not bad.
More desk items. That's what I call these items. Desk items. All right, we're gonna go into the Gundam lab now.
Oh, nice.
Guinness World Records, man. These are official. Oh my gosh. Largest mobile Gundam is 59 feet tall. That's so cool. December 3rd, 2020. And largest mobile human robot achieved by, oh man, it's 2 Guinness World Records. I gotta get me one of those now. This robot here is actually building these little robots down here. That's very cool. So he's gonna pick up parts. Oh, that's so cool. It's calibrating. Oh, it's grabbed a piece. Nice. That's amazing. Here we have a 1/30th scale of the entire facility. I'm wondering why we didn't get this option in the gift shop. You know, I'd get one of these. A 1/30th scale. I don't know where I'd put it in my house, but I'd definitely get one. I like the Q&A here. How much does the moving Gundam weigh? 25 tons, which is about 20 ordinary passenger cars. And then over here, you know, 18 meters, 59 feet tall. It says, when is the motor generating power? It says always. And then when bending arm, which joint does the work? It says the elbow here. The elbow. They make it simple here and then they explain why. Live broadcast of outside of the Gundam. Like detailed schematics.
No, that's why you can have mine.
I think it's cool. And I was able to fit the model inside my backpack so I don't have to carry it in my hands, which is perfect. Good purchase here.
All orders are ready and good to go. No problems found in the way the electric
RX78F00 ガンダム起動。
We stuck around just long enough to catch the other edition of the show. What do you think of that one?
That was cool. I didn't realize that it was going to be a different like sequence.
So this is the everything's falling apart
Got it,
sequence.
yeah,
The one
that was cool.
we watched the normal startup sequence earlier.
Okay.
So we stuck it out for an hour here just so we can catch that one.
Yeah.
And Gundam Factory.
I might have to get one more photo of this one.
Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed today's video of us checking out the Gundam lab, accidentally buying something. I say accidentally, but I had a feeling.
I mean,
Yeah.
Realistically, yeah, it was bound to happen.
And watching all the sequences. If you guys enjoyed all that, don't forget to hit that like button. Let us know you enjoyed something you saw here today. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Love the support, and it's
Free to do.
that's right, it's free to do. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.